What's good, Ghost Gang? This is your boy, Ghost Fighter 2Ts. You know I'm back with another informative video, and today we will be doing an unboxing and review of the Bytech, the Art of Technology. It's a smartphone controller, universal mobile holder. You can watch and play on it, and it's a pocket-sized design. And as you can see down here at the bottom, it says stretchable design, and it says prevents hand fatigue, and it says comfortable with most smartphones, and it says foldable stand, and then it says portable and lightweight. So you can see all the stuff that comes up there. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Get it to focus. That's why I like doing reviews on my wife's phone. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. Babe, could you pass me a knife, please? We're going to unbox it. You can see here's some of the details of it. You can pause that if you need to so that you can read any of the information it says. Alright, let's get right on into the unboxing. I hope you guys are enjoying these. I did one unboxing of one of these videos and got about 500 or 600 views, because I know people like these type of videos. So one of my buddies said, "Hey man, I want this after you do a review on it." So there's nothing else in the box. Alright. Comes inside this plastic, and where I got this from. Now this model isn't as advanced as the one that I have in the room. The one that I have in the room is a little bit different. Now this has like little locking. You put it where you want and then you can lock it. I don't quite understand how it works, but I'm pretty sure you just pull these little tabs once you have it where you want it, and it locks it. And then it also has a little, there you go. So if you want to watch a movie, this would be pretty cool to take along in your book bag. Like me, I work in a place where you want to sit your stuff at while you sit and play. So what I will show you is, here's my daughter's phone. You know they always make it to fit iPhone stuff. You know they always make it to fit that stuff. But yeah, that's the screen. So I probably need my daughter to come open it back up for me, but you can see, you just let me see how you, I don't know how you put the back of it back up, because it looked like it lock and play. Okay, so it's just a little tough. And then it has some words on it. See, Bytech, Buy Gear 103 BK, made in China. Everything's made there. But you can lock these little things here. So now they're in the lock position. See the little locks up there? They got little locks. Let me see if I can see if that focuses up. But yeah, it fits real nice in the hands. You see, I have really big hands. It fits really nice. Actually, the ones I have in the room come out at an angle like this, so they're easier to hold. But if you have an iPhone, even if you have a case to go on it, it still would fit with the case up there, as long as it's a pretty narrow case. See that? Yep. So, yep. Not too much to this video, I just wanted to show that to you. You can get this. Now, I'll put the kickstand down. And you basically can go get this. You basically can go get this at your nearest Five and Below. That's where I got this one from, for $5 and some change. And yeah, it's pretty simple setup for this one. Now the one that I have in the room that's more advanced, you guys go down in the comment section, or you guys want a link to that channel, I'll make sure I have that down in the comment section so that you guys can check out that video. That one's more advanced. You can get that one at Walmart for about $15. Now this one is only $5 or $6, and you can get it at 5 and below. So if this is more in your budget, you can get this one. You want the one that's more advanced, that has like little knobs that go up here, and also has a little cursor here that helps you drive the car. That one's about $15 to $20. So I hope this video was very informational for you guys. I enjoy you guys. All 2,170 subscribers we're at now. Just a couple, like I guess a week ago we was at 2,160. Now we're at about 2,171. I'm gonna take 2,171. I'm gonna say we're at. So we're gonna keep on pushing. I'm gonna keep on getting y'all these informative videos for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is your boy Ghostfighter2Ts. Make sure you drop a like, drop a sub if you enjoyed this informative video. And this got you something, maybe a gadget that you can go try at your local 5 and below. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And until next time. And I'm out.